Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick tutorial, I will show you exactly how to start dropshipping from Alibaba to Shopify in 2025. So if you want to run an online store without holding the inventory, this is one of the easiest ways to get started. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. First of all, you need to create a Shopify store. For that, you can click on the link that is given in the description. It is going to redirect you here on Shopify. So you need to sign up here with the help of your email address. Then by clicking on this online theme, you need to select a perfect theme for your store. After that, you need to set your store basics like the name, logo, and payment methods. For the name and the logo, you can also seek help from canva.com. Once you have done that, you need to open a new tab and search for Alibaba. Once you come here, you need to again sign up with the help of your email account and create your free account on Alibaba. This is where you are going to find the supplier and the products that you want to sell. Over here, by default, you are going to see their frequently searched products, but you can also use this search bar here in the top in order to search for your product which you want. So here you need to make sure that the product that you are selecting has high demand and good reviews. Now after clicking on that product, you need to look for the suppliers that offer drop shipping services, fast shipping, and reasonable at minimum order quantities. You can also use the official alibaba.com application from the Shopify app store and install it and log in order to link both of your accounts. So this actually lets you import the products directly to your Shopify store. But here, if you are using it on your web browser, you need to click on the option of add and then click on the option of Shopify. So here, once you are on the Shopify app store, you need to download the application that could help you to link the Alibaba and Shopify together. So here inside Alibaba's application or the website, you can again select the item that you want. Then you can edit the product titles, the description, and the pricing, and then you can push them to your Shopify store. If you want to do the single listings on your Shopify store, you can click on the option of products here in the left hand section. Then click on the option of add product, and you can just simply add the product listing over here. Now, once you have done that, in your Shopify dashboard, simply go to the settings section, then go to shipping and delivery. Over here, you need to make sure that you set clear shipping rates and adjust your product pricing to include the profit margins. Once you have done that, simply place a test order through your store in order to see how the supplier fulfill it. So make sure that the processing and the delivery times are reliable before scaling. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.